Look at us now. Women's Day 2026 and we're still rising. Every mother, every daughter, every woman shining. We stand tall, we don't break, we just keep climbing. Look at us now.